what I should do next. Because right now, let's see. Research, I have the stuff. I need to build it. Do I have it? Figures, tell me. Trying to figure out if I want to build all of the, how I want to do the refineries and stuff. Oh, I don't need production. Looks like I have no alien artifacts. Joy, joy. Okay. Oh, that's right. All this solar power and it's not even hooked up. Okay, there's 5 of them in the network. I still haven't gotten any... Ah. Oh, these are kicking on. Where I want to go. So, yeah. Replace your raw iron and copper lines with trains. That's kind of already done. All my copper and iron raw goes to trains. You need to fix that because I do not want them spawning over there. Need to put some victory poles down. So now my power should be plenty. Yeah, much better. Yeah, there we go. That's better. See if I die. Run! Okay. Oh, yeah, this... Yeah, I could do that. Really could. Let's see. So if I do... Where's that one coming from? Oh, that's right. Instead of us running a line over to this, we just ran a line and connected them all together. That's right. Alright, I really do need some... Need to get some goo because I really need the power armor. and stuff to build the power armor. Alright. So, guess time to unload everything. Because what I can do, yeah, the next time I am gonna made a good point. Get everything started, like Will did for inputs and outputs and that kind of stuff. But I need to clear out and put down some victory poles here, because this is gonna be the input right here. I haven't went up around this yet, so I'm gonna have to leave room here. So there's gonna be a rail line that goes through here, because this is a dead end, so this will be the more logical area. This will be the main line, and another line coming down through here to the bottom. So I'll have this as the main line, and then everything offshoots from there. But until that, I have to actually take out this, because I want that line to come down as far as I can here and then go up. So pretty much right here is going to be the main junction of everything. Oh, let's see. But let me go and go. Need to go and drop off some stuff. That's my power. Power's still good. Did they charge all the way? Oh, discharge is right. Okay. So you mean I never took all the power out of them? Whoa. So I'm not even using all of the power. Huh. Cool. Did not know that. Alright, so we are gonna... Don't really need engine units. Don't need all of them. Don't need all of them. Don't need all of them.